Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to level up your computer skills and feel like a tech wizard? Today, I'm sharing some of my absolute favorite computer tricks that will save you time, boost your productivity, and honestly, just make you feel super smart. These are the kinds of tips you'll want to start using immediately, so let's jump right in. First up, a lifesaver for anyone who has ever accidentally closed a browser tab. We've all been there, right? You're deep in research, you have a dozen tabs open, and poof, you close the one you needed most. Don't panic. Just press Ctrl, Shift, and the letter T on your keyboard. That's Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Like magic, your last closed tab will reappear. You can even press it multiple times to bring back several closed tabs in order. This works on Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. You're welcome. Next, let's talk about taking screenshots. Sure, you can use the print screen button, but what if you only want to capture a specific part of your screen? On Windows, just press the Windows key, Shift, and S all at the same time. This will bring up the snipping tool, allowing you to draw a box around exactly what you want to capture. The image is then copied to your clipboard, ready to be pasted anywhere you need it. It's so much cleaner and faster than cropping a full-screen image. Are your dozens of open windows causing chaos? There's a trick for that too. Grab the title bar of the one window you want to focus on and give it a little shake with your mouse. All the other windows will instantly minimize, clearing up your desktop. Want them back? Just shake the window again and they'll all reappear. This is called Arrow Shake, and it's a fantastic way to quickly declutter your workspace and focus on the task at hand. Now, here's one for all the multitaskers out there. Did you know you can have a virtual second desktop? On Windows 10 or 11, press the Windows key and tab. This opens up your task view. At the top, you'll see an option to add a new desktop. You can create multiple virtual desktops and switch between them. This is perfect for separating your work projects from your personal stuff. For example, keep all your work-related apps on one desktop and your music and social media on another. It's like having multiple monitors without the extra hardware. And finally, a simple but powerful one, the emoji keyboard. Sometimes, words just aren't enough and you need a good old-fashioned smiley face or a thumbs up. On Windows, press the Windows key and the period key. That's Win plus period. This will pop up a full emoji keyboard, complete with symbols and even GIFs that you can use in almost any text field. It's a fun and easy way to add a bit of personality to your messages and documents. No more searching online to copy and paste emojis. So there you have it, 5 simple yet powerful computer tricks that can make your digital life so much easier. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, or if you have a cool trick of your own to share with the community. I love learning new things from you guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. And if you want more tips and tricks like these, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.